เคเดี๋ยวลงแล้วเดี๋ยวครบก่อน No come back one more Okay I'm waiting one more Next oneที่ชอบกิน river
อันนี้ฮะ Okay for you this way everyone
here You're the boss in here I wish we could drive back that lady and say who are there Not that Hospital. We're here in Sri Lanka. Someone do that like this. They try before you go. But it's a tsunami. I don't think so. They know where God knows God. Look how they're living.
有名的皇家黄帽。
And food, yeah. This one, how much? This one? How many?
40 baht
40, yeah. Okay. Coffee. Coffee. Any beer? No beer. Cola. Cold drink. Okay. How much everything? Wow, look at the monk. Look the monk. The monk's neck. See this temple? So green with the forest. This one has a crematorium. Maybe they burned the dead bodies here. Trees. Looks like a restaurant boat. A table. This is This is Wangsa Lalong Park, and it's very near Wat Po and Wat Prakau. Wat Prakau is the famous Emerald Buddha, and Wat Po is the reclining Buddha. And right next door there's a huge park, and about 10 years ago I used to come here every single day and do exercise and go round and round, and they still have it. They have the free aerobics there. They teach you every single day. So every night if you come here around 6, they have aerobics till around 8. And then you walk around the park. Quite nice. So when I come here, it brings back a lot of memories. Quite a lot. These aerobics. There's a free aerobics. Did you not film me eating the pineapple? Just come here. Well maintained, huh?